Bala from Technical Learners. In this video, we are going to see about what I did in Bank Nifty options yesterday and how many points I scalped in Bank Nifty options yesterday and what my teammates done in Bank Nifty options yesterday. This is what we are going to see in this video. I'll will start this video. This is my group. I hope you all know this group, Chamber of Secrets. It is started with more than 100 plus peoples, 150 peoples, but now I am only having 25 members because I am only keeping most trustable and most performance students only. I am not keeping everyone here. So only interested peoples and most dedicated people only will stay here. And where it is. Yes, this is June 29. Yesterday's chat history of our group. We started with good morning and then it went like this. And this is my first trade. Trade number one done in 8 minutes, scalped 10 points. Um, at 9:15 I took trade. At 9:23 I closed the trade. Why I took the trade means it is pullback. I used my pullback strategy to take my entry in 9:15 candle itself. This is the 9:15 candle. I think this is 9:15 candle. Where is horizontal trade? Yes, this is 9:15 candle of 29 June. So I used pullback strategy for taking trade here. So I took trade and booked 10 points only. It took lot of time to achieve my target. That is why I exited within 10 with 10 points. Uh, it needs to achieve within 5 minutes. That is my time calculation. If it goes beyond 5 minutes, I will exit with minimum profit only. So I exited with the 10 points only. Then Valliyappan bro, he made 20 points. And then Sayed bro, he made 20 points in one minute. And then Money bro 10 points. Again 10 points Money bro. Then I also made again 10 points within 1 minute. Trade number 2 done in 1 minute, scalped 10 points. This trade I took at 9:35 and I ended it in 9:36. The same here I took CE entry. Why I took CE means see market raised from support and moving towards resistance. So I took this entry at 9:35 and I ended in 1 minute itself and scalped 10 points because I took here I took here. So this is my target. This is my resistance. Resistance is too near. So I booked only 10 points at that place and I ended my trade very quickly. So trade number 2 done in 1 minute, scalped 10 points, and then trade number 3 done in 3 minutes, scalped 15 points. So what is the time of trading? 9:48. Third trade is 9:48. I took P. We will see why I took that trade. 9:48, right? Yes, here in this candle. After this candle gets completed, I took PE because market broke this support and market is moving toward my market break this resistance and moving toward my support. So I took sell entry and I booked here at this place. I got 15 points as my target. So trade number 3 done in 3 minutes, calculated 15 points. So totally 35 points within 9:54 itself. I got 35 points. And then Parandaman bro, he made 20 points, 435, 455. So he made 20 points, and then trade number 4 done in 1 minute, scalped 10 points. Again, where I took trade at 9:57, I took P 9:57. Same. I just started trade at this place and I booked here, and again I took trade and I booked here. So here itself I made two entries and booked my profit. This is trade number 4 done in 1 minute and scalped at 10 points. So 45 points till now, and then Syed bro 20 points in a minute. So 375 to 395. He also took P, and then Valliyappan bro 14 points again. And then I said I was waiting more than 30 minutes for a entry like that. I said after 10 p.m. I didn't get entry. See, at 10:05, I placed my pending order in market. I'm waiting, waiting up to 10:27. I'm waiting. It is not yet triggered. That is what I mentioned there. And also, Syed bro also the same. He also put the same entry, and Valliyappan bro also put that same entry. And we all waited for that entry a long time. That is what I mentioned there. And then again Valliyappan bro 10 points, and again Syed bro 10 points, and then me also 10 points in that trade, in that particular trade, which is trade number 5 done in 5 minutes, calculate 10 points. And then everyone asking for link live for live trading session, they asked for the link. And then yes, they continuously started asking link, link, like that. They started asking link. They started protesting against me. They started protest against me to give link. So I gave them link, and then after giving link, he took again 20 points, and then Valliyappan brought 10 plus points, and then 23 points, and I also made 30 points in 9 minutes. This trade was at this place. From here, this support to resistance, I took the trade. I scalped nearly 30 points at that place. And one more 10 points is here. We expected after this breakout we expected up to this, but why we completed here means it is the fib support. Here fib support is matching exactly, which is extension. Wait, I'll show you in a higher time frame, then only you will understand. It is 0.618 extension. We know that market will take some retracement from there. As we are intraday traders, we have to book at that place, because we are not going to hold a lot of thing, lot of points. We have to book at that place. That's why we booked there. See, here 0.618 support is there, which is extension 0.618 is there, fib extension. So we booked at this place itself. That is why 10 points only at previous trade. And then now in this trade we scalped nearly 30 points. So in this trade nearly we scalped 30 points, and then century done. As I scalped 100 points yesterday, and then again 100 points in 1 minute, and again I took entry at 479, and I booked at for 583. Within a single minute I got 100 points. So totally 200 plus points today. Where I got that entry means after this resistance breakout, sorry, so support breakout. As we all know that this is 0.618 extension support. So from here market will take some retracement ABC. After ABC gets completed, surely market will reach our support at this place. So we all waited for the most safest entry. So after breakout of this, we suddenly jumped into this trade, and exactly in 1 minute, within 1 minute we got 100 points profit, and that is the trade, which is 35,500 PE 479, took entry at 479, and exited at 583, which is almost 100 plus points. So totally already 100 points, and here 100 points in a single minute. So single trade, so totally 200 plus trades. And I shared, and also Syed bro, he missed the trade, and he did a pullback entry, so he took 8 points. And then Valliyappan bro, I think he take 30 points, I think. Yes, 30 points. Valliyappan bro, 30 points he made. And then again, yes, here it is my trade history of yesterday: 10, 10, 15, 10, 10, 10. And in live trade we took another trade, and we ended it in CTC itself. We didn't hold for we put SL at CTC. It got hit. After getting our CTC, it went to target. So it's okay, it is not an issue. We didn't lose any single point. It is CTC only, so no issues. Then 10, then 30, and 100 points, so totally 205 points from my side. And then Subuaka, she did a gold mini 100 points, copper 2 points, then Sunpharma 5 points. That is all today trade, as she said. And Dinesh bro 25 points, Sendil Kumar bro 64 points, Parandaman bro 40 points, and then Syed bro 93 points, Valliyappan bro 107 points. This is my team did: Valliyappan bro, Syed bro, and then Parandaman bro, SK bro, Dinesh bro, Subhaka, and Lingesh bro said he didn't took any trades today, and Murugesan bro also said he didn't took trade yesterday, and also I think Tirumurugan bro also said I didn't trade today. Like that, three members said, and other than them, everyone took trade and made profit, good profit. And again at 6 p.m. we started our session. It is for everyone, which is those who are in Chamber of Secrets. Everyone can attend the session. So at 6 p.m. we started, and it went nearly up to 11 p.m. I think. Yes, see, 11:34. We ended our session at 11:30, I think, yesterday. So after 6 p.m. itself, 5 hour session it went. That is question and answers session. I asked them questions, and I saw whether they are giving proper answers or not in technical analysis topic. So that is what went, and we discussed about FIB support and resistance yesterday. This is the thing, guys. This is what we did yesterday. So that's all, guys. This is end of our video. And if anyone want to join in our Chamber of Secrets, or if you need to join in our live trade session, do message me. I think many of before itself many of them texted me. I didn't saw their message till now. I will see those messages, and I will give reply as soon as possible. If you need to join, please text me, and surely within this weekend I will see everyone's message, and I will give reply to you. Please be with patience until then. Thank you, guys. We'll see tomorrow.